festival, Roots in the Woods, only this year. Actually, it's happening for the 5th year now. For the first 3 years, it was a little smaller, a private one, and now the organization team wanted to make it bigger. It's actually the only such festival in Slovenia. We have, of course, other events that are for a few days, but this festival is like, in this type, is the only one.
My name is Pablo Raster. I'm a musician producer from Italy, even though I lived more than 10 years in Poland. And tonight I'm here in Slovenia, in the deep northeast, in the forest of Slovenia, surrounded by snow because it's winter. And tonight I'm not alone because I'm with my partner in crime. I'm here with the legendary Mr. Bunna. So I'm here to celebrate my 23 years of activity with music. I don't make a DJ set, I make a live dub set. So I play only my music, and I have a mixer where I can remove and edit and cut and loop and effect every part of each sound.
Last year's reggae music fly down, and so we're trying to use the music to make some message, new feeling, new vibes.
I really love reggae music. I think it's a really good thing. It talks about the world, it talks about love. I think there's a lot of hatred in this world. So if you think alike, maybe you should check it, maybe you should come.